Hi. Hi everyone.
Flawless afternoon, guys.
Flawless afternoon. So right now we're here at SM North Annex, Flawless, the newest Flawless clinic. Sige. Let's just wait for some people to get in and then we can proceed with our live. By the way, I'm Chris.
I'm Leo.
We're part of Flawless Marketing and we're excited to give you updates on our product offering for online shoppers. Alright. Huwag kayong matakot. Oh, do I look old? How many people are watching?
Wala pa. Two.
Two.
Ito yun. Hello, guys.
Hi.
Welcome sa ating Payday Live. Hello. Please share our video.
Okay, so spend your payday with us. Okay, so we start?
Let's go.
Go. Alright. First order of business. So, meron po tayong buy two, get one free. So, if you buy any of these soaps, we have the, let's show you that. Collagen soap. Am I showing it right? Can they see it?
Yeah.
Collagen soap, tea tree soap.
Alright, for your oily skin.
Alright. Oatmeal soap for
the body.
the body. Okay, so this is a body soap and then collagen also. And then tea tree. Pag bumili po kayo ng any of these, you get one free. So any of this combination, you get one free. Just let us know kung ano yung free na gusto nyo. Just click the link. The link goes to the Flawless shop and then you can just order all these. Okay? Alright. So again, buy two, get another one for free. Just for this special going on until August 3 for online shoppers. Okay, so you save about 100 pesos or more if you purchase. Okay, very, very nice. Okay, shall we show it to them again?
Yeah.
Oatmeal, and then oatmeal soap, tea tree soap. For your oily skin, if you have friends na oiliness, ito, pwede, give them this soap. And then, the collagen naman is for dry, and if you have dry skin, this is good for you. Okay? Alright. Ba't may lalap ko? Ito na. Shall we do the ruleta now? Not only this, pwede rin kayo bumili ng toners. By the way, the price of this is 150 each. 150 each ang mga soap. Pag binili nyo isa-isa. But if you buy two, you get one free. Also, ito, pore refiner. So, again, if you have oily skin, this works best for you. Pore refiner. We have another one. Siguro maganda i-show natin. Ganun. Pore refiner and then the facial toner. This is color orange. A bit of orange. Or no, peach. Facial toner. Pore refiner. And what's the other one?
Whitening toner.
And the whitening toner. Whitening toner. All these are priced 310. 310 each po. You can buy online. You can also buy these sa lahat ng Flawless clinics. And they are, again, buy two, get another one for free. Any variant kung gusto niyo. If you buy any of these two, get this, or any of these two, you get one. It's up to you. Para matry ninyo all the variants. Okay, so we have the facial toner, pore refiner, and the whitening toner. These are all 310. Buy two, get one. Alright? And I really, really love this product. I want to show you. Kamedis Clear Breakout Kit. On sale po sa lahat ng Flawless Clinic and online shop. From 3,800, you now get it for 2,400. So, ang laki ng magkano discount yun?
This is para sa...
Yeah. So, for you, for your friend, for your child, for anybody you know na nagbe-break out, this is the best treatment. You'll see result within 2 days of using. Sinabi ko 2 days kasi I had a pamangkin who's using this. After 2 days, parang a huge difference in her skin. So, huge discount for this. 3,800 before, now it's 2,400. Okay? So, commercial. Kikita niyo yung sa likod namin. These are posters inside. We're inside the doctor's clinic here in Nesum North EDSA Annex. We're borrowing for our live session. So, when pag nagpa-consult kayo sa mga clinic, sa clinic, you're given this privacy inside our doctor's clinic. So,
let's share them.
Share them the content. Sige, ikaw naman yan.
Alright, so for the contents of this Kamedis Clear Breakout Kit, ating mga content niya, tatlo. We have the Clear Purifying Gel Face Cleanser. Ayan.
Yeah.
Can you
So,
see that? Okay, so pang-linis sa face. Siyempre. Then we also have Anti-Blemish Face Cream. Ayan. Yan, kasama yan, no? Kita niyo ba? Okay.
So you clean and then lagyan ng cream.
And last one, we have Clear Spot Treatment. So if you have acne talaga, na gusto mong i-heal yung mga spots right away. So here, you have the spot treatment. So you already got these 3 products in one. From 3,600, it's now... 3,800. From 3,800, it's now 2,400 pesos. Ayan. So, this is a great deal, guys, para sa inyong lahat. Only here at our live. And also, available din sa mga clinics natin. Yeah.
All clinics. So, we have clinic in Mega Mall, North EDSA, MOA, San Lazaro, Fairview, dito sa Metro Manila. Also, don't miss, meron din kami sa SMDC Live. But, we're promoting now SM North EDSA Annex.
Okay, guys. So, watch out, guys, sa announcement ng ating Lucky 24 promo, tama? No? So, previously, we have posted a promotion. Share nyo lang yung aming poster. You get a chance to win 2,400 peso
worth of
GC.
You can use that for facial treatment or products in any of our clinics.
Diba? So, alagang flawless talaga tayo this season. So, mag-say hi naman tayo sa ating mga viewers. So, we have, hi, Yulski. Hello po. Good afternoon din kay Dalogdog, Novenrem. Hi, ayan. Nico Hill. Mayroong. Ayan, I hope nag-join kayo guys doon sa Lucky 24 promo natin. We are so excited kasi 10 yung mananalo. 10 yung magiging winners natin. Hi, Miss I. Ayan, I hope you're enjoying. Ayan, so manifesting daw. Sabi dito ng mga viewers natin na mananalo. Ayan, mamaya po may i-a-announce natin Miss Veronica. So if you joined, no, mamaya ma-a-announce yan. So hopefully medyo madami yung nag-join sa atin ka, ba? We're so happy na
we have almost 900 joiners.
Correct.
And,
and we will be choosing 10 lucky winners today. And hopefully umulit din tayo ng promo na to, no? And I hope you enjoy that. So, moving forward, and we're very much excited, you visit the nearest Flawless Clinic. Ayan.
Okay.
Alright, so ano ba yung mga products natin na we can share it to them?
Alright, so ulitin ko, because I'm so happy about we have oatmeal soap. Leo,
Yes.
let's give them. Why should they buy oatmeal soap? the oatmeal soap.
Because they deserve it.
Because you deserve the oatmeal soap. Alright? This is, you can use it for your entire body. Ano nga yun, hindi nakakaroon ng sa allergy.
Non-allergen. Yung ba? Tamang term na yun.
Alright, so our oatmeal soap, this is great for exfoliating dead skin. And so when you exfoliate, of course, lumalabas yung a clear complexion. This is our oatmeal soap. Okay? Now, when you have dry and sagging skin, so we target a lot of skin concerns na alam namin persistent. We use collagen soap for dry skin and when you have sagging skin. This is the soap for you, collagen soap. And also, we have skin whitening soap. Ito, isa sa mga bestseller namin in the clinic. Lagi kaming mabilis ito. Really fast-moving product because it's really effective. Our skin whitening soap beats a lot of whitening soap out there. It's also very safe. Okay? And then another one. What are we now? The tea tree. Yeah. Tea tree is for oily skin naman. Alright? So we have shop.flawless.com.ph is our online shop. We're also available in Lazada, Shopee, and TikTok. Just look for Flawless.
Okay, may nagpapa-shoutout sa atin. Hi, Miss G. Hello,
Miss G.
Hi. And also, Miss Hazel.
Hi.
Ayan, Miss Hazel Love Kabundok. Ayan. Hopefully, nag-join kayo, guys, ha?
And hopefully, bumili kayo,
ha? Yes, of course. Hindi pa shoutout lang. Sana bumibili rin kayo, di ba? So, may promo tayo again. Reminding everyone, we have 2+1 sa ating mga select in-house products. Kasama din ang soaps, toners, and toners natin. Ayan. Yes.
Alright.
Okay, guys, share pa ng live. And later on, i-a-announce na natin ng winners. Don't worry guys, ipopost din natin ng winners. But if you want to hear your name live dito sa ating payday, yan. So, we're so much excited. Ayaw natin makapiright. Okay. Saan na pa bang mga pwede natin i-offer to them?
So, okay, we have the we have the cleanser toner from Evatherm. Let me. Look at this. Okay, isa-isahin na lang natin. First, Tolerist Skin Gentle Cleanser and Makeup Remover. Ilagay natin siya yan. Yan. Sobrang gentle. Pwede rin din yan sa eyes.
For face and eyes. Yeah. Hypersensitive, reactive, and intolerant skin. So, this one is Evatherm Tolerist Skin. And it costs 1,800 pesos. Ayun, 1,800 only.
Available also in Flawless Shop and all our clinics. Next naman, Thermal Micellar Water. Huwag na kayong mag-micellar water ng iba. Ito na lang kasi garantisadong safe sa skin ninyo and it doesn't dry your skin at saka hindi masakit sa
Yes, perfect for sensitive skin.
Correct.
Okay, it cleanses and removes makeup. Ayan, panglinis talaga to ng face. Wala siyang harmful ingredients, so don't worry guys. Very safe din to, no? So, Evatherm.
Okay. So, just to let everybody know, Evatherm is only available sa lahat ng Flawless clinics. Hindi niya mabibili sa iba. Yan. Ito rin, spring water. Herculane Thermal Spring Water. Maraming may favorite niyan.
So, best for sensitive skin. Yes. It soothes the skin, di ba? I-spray mo lang siya all over your face. Best also for guys or sa beses natin with rosacea. So, ayan.
Rosacea. Ayan na. spell. Rosacea.
Alright.
Alright, so now, so there. So I hope you go to our clinics and on our online shop. Lazada, Shopee, TikTok, we're there.
Okay guys, so if you're interested, you can visit Flawless, makita niyo ang actual products. Or kung talagang gusto niyo na talagang bumili ng item, you can visit the link provided yan sa Flawless online shop natin, or go to our Shopee, Lazada, and TikTok shop.
Yes.
Pwede ba i-announce yung mga other platforms? Baka
Oo
nga, I forgot.
Yeah, you can go to the yellow basket,
Yeah.
the red basket, and the orange basket.
Correct. Perfect.
Okay?
Okay.
Let's draw! Draw muna tayong dalawa.
Okay, mag-draw tayo. Sige. I'm also
Kasi
excited.
we have, may nag-join ng contest who's with us now during our live.
Yes. Alright, so ipapakita na natin. Teka lang. Okay, guys. I hope, ayan, si Daniel Otig, yan, hoping po, ayan. Yun din ang gusto namin.
Daniel, I saw you have many entries.
Ayan. Sabi namin, isa-isa talaga namin. Pero guys, yung mga doble, sorry ha.
So, one
entry
entry
okay.
per joiner.
Oh, per joiner. So, shoutout din kay Maxon Cavaliers. Ayan. Sino si Maxon? Puso-puso. Ayan, may mga puso si Maxon. Okay. So, we will be announcing two.
Two muna.
Alright. Okay.
Okay.
Ready na pa kayo guys? Ito na.
So, we'll show you our ruleta.
Okay. So, sorry,
Okay.
may glare. Okay.
May glare.
So, ready na ba tayo, guys? Type nyo nga sa comment section, ready!
Yay!
Ayan. Type nyo naman kung ready na kayo. No, bubunutin na natin yung first winner natin. Ayan. Thank you guys for joining us today. We're very much excited. I'm Leo, and here's my partner, Miss Chris. Ayan. Guys, need po ba present, ma'am? Ano ipe-present? Yung ano. No. I-announce naman namin. So,
and we'll send you a message if
correct.
you want. We'll send you a DM.
Yes.
And then you just have to show that DM from Flawless.
Correct.
You pick up the GC sa the branches I mentioned, either in Mega Mall, MOA, SM North, Fairview, or SMBC Light.
Yan. So, again guys select yung clinics natin where you can avail or redeem your prizes. So, yan. So, bunutin na natin number 1. Ang ating Lucky 24.
One of the
10
winners.
Alright. Ang ating first winner ay si... Exciting.
Is it?
Lori Kalinong. Ayan, guys.
Sorry. Ayan.
Lori Kalinong. Lori,
Lori,
if you're here with us, magparamdam ka, mag-ISS mo na, screenshot mo na to. Ayan. Lori Kalinong, congratulations for winning 2,400 worth of services or products here at Flawless. Ayan.
Next, so we'll draw first two.
Alright. Remove na natin. Congrats, Lori. So, second winner natin. Ayan. Umiikot na po ang ating ruleta. Ang ating next winner ay si Lucrecio Taghoy. Ayan. Congratulations, Lucrecio Taghoy. Ayan, I hope nandyan ka din, nanonood ng ating live. Screenshot this na para may proof ka, but then we will record naman everything. So, ayan. Congratulations to our 2 winners na. And later on, we will be announcing 8 more. Tama ba, Miss Chris?
Yes. During this live. Alright. Yeah. Okay, while we're here, can you show them sa ano?
Yeah.
I'd like to promote our promo until August 3, until Sunday. Kita kaya nila dyan.
Yeah, nakikita
Ayan.
naman.
Alright, we have 3 plus 3 on shape and scalp. So, shape and scalp in any area. Kung gusto nyo pabawasan itong mga neck, abdomen, arms. So you buy 3 sessions, you get 3 sessions for free. 3 plus 3. We call that our Rain or Shine, Tuloy ang Alagang Flawless. And then we also have 3 plus 2. 3 plus 2 on all our advanced facials, on all our peels. Lahat ng peel. Buy 3 sessions, you get 2 free. And then last, our drips and our injectables, our shots. That's also buy 3, get 2. And shareable to 1. Just shareable to 1. Kung gusto nyo isama yung BFF, your loved one, or your friend.
Yes, so,
yun.
So, shareable siya, guys. Okay, so share nyo yung pagiging flawless to your friends and besties. No? So, kung hindi pa kayo nakaka-visit ng Flawless, this is the perfect time for you to visit. Again, 3 plus 2 sa ating all advanced facials, peels, and drips and injectables. Another promotion that we have sa Tuloy ang Alagang Flawless, Rain or Shine, is buy 3 plus 1. Ano ba yan? May glare. Sorry,
okay.
Guys. Ayan, medyo tagilid natin. Buy 3 plus 1 sa Meso Age Reverse. So if you want to prevent or delay the signs of aging, ito yung pinakabago namin na medical service na very much affordable and talagang very much effective. Ang tawag natin ay Meso Age Reverse. It reverse your aging, yung mga signs, yung mga deep lines, and yung mga, tawag dito, mga hyperpigmentation, lahat yan kayang i-solve ng Meso Age Reverse. Okay? So, guys, free lang yung medical consultation sa lahat ng Flawless Clinics. If you're interested to avail any of these promotions, just visit Flawless. Ayan. And last, we have free 2,000 pesos worth of services on skin investment purchases. So, meron kami mga available na skin investment packages. If you're interested to avail, this is the perfect time kasi meron kang additional na 2,000 worth of services. Sobrang deal na niyan dito sa Flawless. So, may exception lang sa skin investment starter. So, once again, this is our promotion for until August 3. Flash sale lang to, guys. Rain or Shine, Tuloy ang Alagang Flawless. Perfect ba yun?
Yes. So here I am again. So, yeah, I'm gonna stand up now. So, Kamedis Clear Breakout Kit. Used to be 3,800, now just 2,400. Go ahead. Order na. Add to cart nyo na dyan sa Flawless online shop. And also, we're present in all e-commerce platforms. Major e-commerce platform. Okay. Thank you. Oh, thank you so much for those watching. Thank you. Thank you. So, ito, 2,400 na lang sa available sa lahat din ng clinic. Pero, talagang pinopromote namin right now is our collagen soap, tea tree soap, oatmeal soap. All these, buy 2, get 1 free. Also promoting our Pimple Clear Astringent. Pimple Clear Astringent.
Perfect sa acne-prone skin. Ayan. Very, tawag dito, very in demand. Yan. Ito, isa sa mga favorites ng mga besties natin. Pimple Clear Astringent.
And our facial toner. Look at that. So our packaging, no BS packaging, everything good inside. Classic and talagang will deliver the results.
Okay. So in addition, it restores the natural pH balance. Ayan. Very okay siya for sensitive skin as well. Ayan.
For those with large pores, this will help reduce the appearance of those large pores. No? So this is called our Flawless Pore Refiner. Talagang kinis yung dito ninyo. Liliit ang mga pores. Okay. Again, buy 2 of these and you get 1 free. You can share pang regalo, lapit ng Pasko, pang pa-birthday.
Ayan. Malapit na kumanta si Jose Maricel. So here are the toners that we have available dun sa ating 2+1 promo. So yung mga skin concern niyo, if your skin concern is having oily skin, this one is good, pore refiner. And if you're concerned with your, ang tawag dito, itsura ng pores natin, the visibility of the pores, it refines. And again, it's suitable for oily skin. This one's okay also for oily skin, but then mas perfected siya for acne-prone skin. Ang tawag dito ay Pimple Clear Astringent. Ayan. So, ayan. Wala tayong mga reklamo sa mga products natin. And last one is the facial toner. Refreshes and purifies skin by restoring its natural pH balance. Ayan. This one is best if you're into age-defying products. So this one's a good pair. Ayan. Again, ito yung mga toners natin. Last one is the yan. Ito pa, if you're into whitening, or brightening, or lightening of the skin, yan, gusto natin din to. Sa whitening toner, perfect din yan. Kasama din yan. So, these are the choices that you have. So, 4 sila bale. Okay?
Lahat ng size 120 ml. Pag ganyang size, good for, if you're regularly using the product, good for about 4 to 6 months of usage. So,
sa akin mabilis lang yan. Sa akin hindi abot ng 4 months yan.
Sulit din yun eh. But, gusto ko sana i-promote, kaso parang tag-ulan na eh. Okay pa rin ba to?
Yeah, of course.
Kahit naman umuulan, you need to
yes, of course.
sunblock pa rin eh.
Yes, this one, we have the skin lightening lotion with sunblock. Huwag kayong malito kung parehas white yung packaging niya. But then, this one, it lightens and moisturizes the skin. So, hindi lang siya lightening, hindi lang din siya moisturizing, it also have sunblock. Ayan. So, lagi naman tayong dapat, if you're into preserving din yung youthfulness natin, huwag natin hayaan na, kasi yung tawag dito, fluorescent, meron ding UV yan, also the screens that you're using, our gadgets, delikado yun sa ating skin. So, lagi kang gumamit ng sunscreen or sunblock. And this is what's good, di ba? So, skin lightening lotion with sunblock. Lahat ng gusto ninyo, whitening, moisturizing, and protection. Meron tong ating lotion with sunblock. Ayan. Only available at Flawless.
Yes, exclusive. Alright, another 2 winners. We're raffling off 2 winners.
Now na, I'm so excited. Alright, medyo mabilis ang ating galawan dito. Alright, sinong interested na? 2 more winners today. So, nakadalawa na tayo kanina. Si Lori and Lucrecio. So, ayan. Kanina may nag-request ng shuffle. Ayan, guys. Sige, isa-shuffle natin, no, guys. So, naka-shuffle na another, isa pang shuffle, oh, guys. We're shuffling. Ang dami lang talaga nag-participate. Okay. For our winner number 3. Ready na ba kayo, guys? Alright? Ang ating pangatlong winner of 2,400 worth of service and products I see. Wala ba't wala? Yun! Si Jay Lapating Panes. Ayan. Bung Paneng. Alright, Jay, are you with us? Jay Lapating Panes. Ayan. Sorry if mali yung pagkakapronounce, pero Jay Lapating Panes, congratulations! Ayan. You are our 3rd winner. Okay? Alright. Next winner na tayo, guys. Wait lang, screenshot lang din natin. Remove. Okay. So, shuffle again. Shuffle natin. Alright. 4th winner! Ayan. Ready na ba kayo, guys? Ang ating 4th winner ay si Tada! Si Carrie Dre. O yan. Carrie Dre, are you here with us? Congratulations, Carrie Dre, our bestie, Carrie Dre. So, ikaw ang isa sa mga winners natin ng ating 2,400 worth of products or services. Ayan.
Alright, one more.
Okay, one more daw. So, we will be removing her name na. Sorry, Carrie. Ayan. Sino na ating pang? 5 na winner. Ayan. Ang ating 5th winner ay si... Sorry, may glare. Yun, haba. Reshaline Austria de la Roca. Again, congratulations to Reshaline Austria de la Roca. You win 2,400 worth of products and services. Screenshot mo na yan, Reshaline. Ayan. Perfect. Okay, okay. Congratulations to our 5 lucky winners. Ayan. Ang ginawa lang, nag-tag lang sila ng 2 besties and nag-share. So, yun na kagad, no? So, congratulations.
Thank you.
5 more winners later on.
Thank you for joining, to those who joined our Lucky 24. We'll have another promo or another raffle or another game coming this August 24th. Take note, every 24th we have our road to our 24th anniversary happening in December. So we'll have another one August 24, September, October, November until December 8th. December 8th is our 24th anniversary. So our journey to the 24th year, we have huge savings on the day of the 24th for you, for our loyal customers, Flawless. Okay, so now I just want to talk about this Eva Therm Totally Skin Gentle Cleanser and Makeup Remover. No? So you have to do, so many times, halimbawa, makeup ka, and then you got home and you have no time to do a lot of that wash. This is gonna be good for you. All you have to do, dab sa cotton, and then mali-remove, kasi it's gentle on the eyes, nare-remove niya yung mascara, eye makeup, and all the makeup you have. So, cotton to remove it, and then malinis na yung face nyo. Very easy, and you can fall asleep right away if you're tired. So, we highly recommend this. Totally Skin Gentle Makeup Remover, Cleanser and Makeup Remover, present in all. You can purchase sa lahat ng Flawless clinics.
Right.
That's also online. It's 1,800, alright? But later on, we're bundling out our cleansers for you to get extra 10% when you purchase all of them. Okay?
Na-announce na pala.
Alin?
Yung ating future promo for this 3. Ayan. Sa mga nakapanood ng live ha, meron na kayo na-aware na kayo kagad. So, ito yung mga Eva Therm products natin. Micellar water. Guys, stay pa muna kayo. Meron pa tayong 5 more winners to be announced later on. Diyan, kalma muna kayo guys ha. Sorry.
Okay, ang gusto.
Tapos na po ba daw? Hindi pa tayo tapos. May
naman kayo.
5 more winners. Saglit lang. If you want, bumili muna kayo ng mga products natin, guys. Or pwede nyo gamitin yung 2,400 natin. No? Mag-visit lang din kayo sa Flawless Clinic. Tolerant Skin and yung Herculean Thermal Spring Water. Yan. Best for sensitive skin. Ito yung mga Eva Therm products natin. Ayan. Ito lang yung mga hina-highlight natin, guys. Pero, marami pa tayong Eva Therm products sa clinics natin.
So many products.
So many. Meron laging pasok sa inyong skin concern. Alright.
Kasi pagka, so we want to focus on products. Specific products every time we go live para mas may focus din kayo. And yeah. So, ito naman. So, all the soaps we have, marami pang variant, but these are our focus now. Yes, there
Sorry,
we go.
hinarang mo. Sorry.
Okay.
Ayan. Okay, so here are the four soaps that we are highlighting today. Ayan, may skin whitening soap, tea tree soap, oatmeal soap, and collagen soap. Ayan. Again, our select in-house products, guys, ay available for 2+1. Ayan. Alright, so here are the soaps na meron tayo. Perfect for oily skin. Meron din tayong nag-exfoliate, which is the oatmeal soap. Ayan. Nakaka-exfoliate ng skin, lalo yung mga dead skin cells natin. And also, meron siyang moisturizing component. Itong ating oatmeal soap. So guys, available din to sa na naka-kit. So meron tayong acne control kit, age-defying kit, oil control kit, may whitening for the face and also for the body. So lahat yun available here at Flawless Clinics at also sa mga tawag dito mga e-commerce platforms natin. Skin whitening soap. Yan. If you want to have a more lighter skin, ayan. It lightens and again moisturizes the skin. So this one is okay for the face and also for the body. Skin whitening soap. And also, collagen soap for dry and sagging skin. Perfect for age-defying na product sa ating mga face or sa body natin. So, yan. Meron tong collagen, of course. It helps smoothen the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines. Ayan. So, because ano ba nakaka-affect sa mga aging natin? Hindi lang naman because of the age. Of course, because of the lifestyle that we have or yung...
if you have vices like drinking and smoking.
Yes, kung may vice ka.
Lagi kang puyat.
Yes, ayan. Kapag may mga signs na parang may mga lines na here, mga smile lines, lumalalim na, wrinkles sa noo, sa pisngi, ayan. So, ayan. Nakakasad kasi, of course, hindi naman natin mapipigilan ng pag-age. Correct? Pero again, we can prevent or delay the signs of aging with just the perfect products that we have. At available yan sa Flawless. Marami kaming products that can complement yung ating mga services. So we have aesthetic services and also medical services. Very forte ng Flawless talaga is delaying the signs of aging. So if you want to have that lift, ayan. Kung gusto mo mawala yung mga fine lines, we have Utox, ayan. If you want, ayan, so, ayan. Para mawala yung mga double chin, hindi pa ako subject pero eventually, magiging subject na tayo sa age-defying. Kasi hindi na may tatago ang signs of aging, guys. Talagang normal yan sa tao. Makikita mo na yan sa noo. Pero guys, yun na nyo naman. Alagang Flawless. Hello, I'm already 37, 50. Pero 50, pero walang signs of wrinkles dito, guys. So again, I'm inviting everyone to visit Flawless and avail our medical services.
Yes.
Meron kaming thermal lift, Bella Beauty Boost, lahat yan pwedeng i-discuss ng ating...
Botox.
Of course, don't forget the Utox na tinatawag. Sa Flawless yung tawag natin.
Sa Botox.
Sa insertion of botulinum toxin dito sa ating skin. So,
that's
ayan.
A mouthful.
Correct.
Botulinum. And later before we end the live, we'll tour you around the clinic so you can see. Right now, we're here in
one of our private treatment room.
Also doctor's clinic. So, pag nag-consult kayo, you're in a private room with a doctor.
Alright. So, if you have skin concerns, bukod dun sa mga sinabi natin, no? So, we also remove warts. Ano pa ba? Varicose veins, yan, lahat din kayang sagutin. Keloid, pwede natin i-heal yan. Or meron tayong perfect treatment dito sa Flawless.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, so invite your friends to watch our live. Hi, Apple Quincy, Zin, Joycelyn, Harold, Jean. How are you all? Thank you so much for watching. All right. Focus product, Camedis. So this kit, perfect because you get the anti-blemish face cream, purifying gel face cleanser, and the spot treatment. 3 products na it's only 2,400. Panigurado yung mga acne nyo, pag matutuyo or ano, you'll be healed. For sure. Alright. So, sige, let's draw na the ano. Ito, ang dami ng ano eh. Let's draw na the last 5. Okay na ba, Leo? We will draw?
Yeah, first 2.
For last, okay, next 2.
Next 2.
Ay, hanggang mo na siya ng cover.
Yeah. So, next 2 natin, guys. Alright. Are you still with us, guys? Okay. So, ito yung mga names natin remaining. Napakadami. So, shuffle lang natin. Can you spot your names there? So, shuffle. Another one. Ayan. Perfect. Ang dami na nun, guys, ha? Alright. So, with these names, manifest natin lahat, guys, kung sino ang susunod natin, ang 6th winner ng ating Luck 24 promo. Ang ginawa lang, nag-share and also they tag their 2 besties. Alright, 6th winner. Ngayon pa lang, congratulations to Pakaba. Congratulations, Yen Basquinas Binas. Ayan. Again, congratulations kay Yen Basquinas Binas. Congratulations. If you're here with us, Yen, ayan, pwede mong screenshot. And also, we will message you via DM. Ayan, remove na natin. 7th winner. Yen, congratulations. Guys, I hope din, yung mga nanonood na kasama natin, kayo rin yung gusto naming manalo. So, ito yung ating 7th winner. Congratulations to Mariel Loyola. Ayan, Mariel Loyola, congratulations. Palakpakan naman dyan. Congratulations, Mariel.
Yay!
Ayan. So, 7A winners natin. Guys, huwag kayong mawala ng pag-asa. May 3 pa tayong winners.
Okay.
Na natawagin sa Lucky 24. And also, your request na lang next time na mas damihan natin. Hopefully, mas marami pa tayong winners sa mga susunod na promos natin na tulad nito. Alright.
Watch out for our next raffle. Our next online, what you call that? Next online.
Live on, ano pa yung day ba yan?
No, yung pa-game natin ulit. Pa-like and share. And, ano nga yun?
Lucky 24?
Lucky 24, and then for August, what are we gonna call it? We call it differently, but please join. Watch out for it. We want to make sure that you also win some prizes from Flawless, so you can, those who have not yet experienced and those who want to continue with their Flawless journey.
Hi Jane, hi Rachel, and hi Glyza.
Hi there.
Welcome to Flawless Payday Live. Ayan, so since it's payday, best na i-prepare din natin ang ating mga skin. You know? So, rain or shine, tuloy ang alagang Flawless. Yan, dito sa Flawless. Available itong promo until August 3. August 3 lang, guys. So, medyo tight ito, no? Available yung promo natin. So, ano bang kasama sa rain or shine na promo natin? Buy 3 plus, buy 3 and get 3 free additionals para sa ating shape and sculpt, no? Ang ating shape and sculpt, pwede yan sa ating belly, pwede yan sa ating arms, no? So, yung mga may ano natin, tawag dito, may mga stubborn fats, mga baby fats natin na you want to get rid of, pwede yan targetin ng ating shape and sculpt, no? Buy 3, get 3 free. Ayan. Shareable din ba yun?
Yes.
And also, we want to inform everyone na yung mga promos natin ay shareable to one friend or family or loved one. Next, we have buy 3, free 2 na service for this one on all advanced facials, pills, drips, and injectables.
Okay.
Ayan. Alright, so ito, 3 plus 2 tayo again sa ating facials. Advanced facials, kung hindi pa kayo nakakapagpaalis ng blackheads ninyo or whiteheads ninyo, you can visit Flawless kasi 3 plus 2 tayo sa ating mga advanced facials. Also, even sa mga peels natin. Mesopeel na yan, ganyan. So, and also our drips and injectables. So, lahat yan, even beauty drip, so kasama yan sa ating 3+2 promo. And also shareable yan to one of your friends or loved ones or besties. Okay, so meron din tayong 3+1 sa ating Meso Age Reverse. Yan. Magaling Meso Age.
Meso Age. Starts at 10,000, let's say.
Meso Age Reverse starts at 10,000 pesos. So yun, so if you want to delay the signs of aging, or kung meron ng hindi, talagang meron ng mga signs talaga like lines, no? So that can be reversed with our Meso Age Reverse. Only available at Flawless and partnered with Meso Aesthetic. Ayan. Okay. And last one sa ating Rain or Shine promo, get additional 2,000 worth of services. Tama. On skin investment packages. So, bukod dun sa skin investment package that you will avail, we will be giving out additional 2,000 pesos worth of services. Hello, Janine. Don't worry guys. Meron pa tayong meron pa tayong 3 more winners. I hope you can still join us dito sa ating Payday Live until 6 p.m. Ayan, saglit na lang guys. So, if you are going to buy our products, eto, so diretso na lang kayo sa aming Flawless online shop provided sa link, and also available din to sa Orange app and sa Black app and sa Blue app. Yan. So, lahat yan available to those. No, even our promotions natin ang 2+1. So, avail nyo na yan, guys.
Alright, thank you. So, these are our toners. These are our toner variants. Wait lang, para you can see. Hi! Hi! So, toners. Itong mga toner natin. Yan. Itong 4 na toners. Buy 2, get 1 free. All these toners. Okay? Yan. 4 ito. Whitening, tea tree, whitening, pore refiner, astringent, and the facial toner. All these. Buy 2, get 1 free. And then we have something else. So this is our skin lightening. Okay, skin lightening lotion with sunblock. So this is a lotion. This is not toner kasi what we're selling yung buy 2 get 1 are toners and our soap. So this one is a skin lightening lotion with sunblock. Let me show you. It's bango. This is 50 off naman. Okay? This is 50 off kasi it's a lotion. It's a with sunblock. Let me show you the consistency of that lotion. So, yeah, there. And it smells good. Bango. Bango talaga nito. So, So, bango. Ganda. Okay. Sa ganito karami, it's 50 off. So, from 510, it's now 255. 255 for this. Konting ano lang, konting drop lang, and then parang so rich. Ang rich ng consistency, ang bango, at may sunblock pa. Yung lotion mo, may sunblock, protects the skin, protects from UV rays, and when, sabi nga ni Leo kanina, kapag kahit nasa loob ka ng bahay, you need to have sunblock kasi ang sun ray, maabot pa rin yun eh. Okay? So, screenshot nyo, ano to? Skin lightening lotion with sunblock. 120 ml for only 255. Pero, mabibili nyo din to sa lahat ng clinics ng Flawless at saka select clinics at saka sa, of course, our online shop. Blue app. Orange and black. Black app. Alright. So stay tuned. We're gonna tour you around SM North EDSA Annex branch, our clinic here. Kita nyo. And if you're in the area, if you come here now, Sige, bigyan natin sila. If you come here now, you can come here now, we'll give you a surprise. Come here now while we're here. We'll be here until 6. During our live, kung nasa malapit ka or 6, we'll wait for you. Message us that you're coming. And we will have a surprise for you. Okay? Maybe you get some of these products. But you know, let's just come here. Like, alright? Just come here, say hello. We'd like to see you. We'd like to, would like to know your flawless journey. We'd like to hear about your skin concerns. And we'll do the best so we can help. Okay? Alright. So, we're almost close. We promised on 1 hour live. So, going back. Our toners. Our toners. All these toners. Buy 2, get 1. All these soap. Buy 2, get 1 also. Itong mga soap namin. And then our Comedis. Huge discount from 3,800 to now 2,400. You get these 3 products inside. The cleanser, the cream, and the spot treatment. So, kung meron tigyawat, ganon. The results, fast results, fast-acting results. Fast-acting results, Alright, ito ang laman niya. Okay? I'm sure when you follow this regimen, yung mga pimples nyo will... Bye, pimples! Yan. Okay. Yeah, so it's 5:52. Let's draw the last 3 winners. You will draw the last 3 winners. Thank you for...
Guys, thank you for staying with us. Ayan, so because of that, again, refresh ko lang kayo. We will be staying here at Flawless until 6 o'clock p.m. So, yan. So, join us. Visit lang kayo tonight.
If you're near.
If you're near, then maybe we'll giving out a special surprise para sa inyo. Just say your name. Punta lang kayo dito agad-agad. Sorry. Again, this is a surprise promo. Pwedeng giveaway. So, let's see. Puntahan nyo lang and say hi to us. Ayan. So, we will be now drawing the three last names ng ating Lucky 24 promo. Are you ready, guys? Ayan. So, to those who are requesting na mag-shuffle tayo, again, we're shuffling. Ayan. Kita naman dito, nagsha-shuffle tayo. Alright. So, ang ating 8th winner is...
Tanananan. Next time, guys, sali kayo ulit. And ask your friends to sali, to join. Who's the winner? Karen Serolf. Karen.
Congratulations, Karen Serolf. Ayan. Karen Serolf, congratulations.
Congrats, Karen.
Ayan.
Pa-screenshot mo pa. Okay.
Okay. Next naman.
Ano na ba? 8?
9 na. Ang ating 9th winner is... Congratulations to
Daddy Theo.
Daddy Theo. Daddy Theo.
Yay!
Ayan. Congratulations, Daddy Theo. Alright. Screenshot muna natin. Remove lang natin. Okay, ang ating 10th winner.
Our last winner.
Pakita mo yung pangalan, sir.
Oo. Sige.
Okay, ang ating 10th winner ay si... Okay, again guys, congratulations sa ating 10 winners ng 2,400 worth of products or services. Eto na.
Ooh, our last winner. Sana ikaw na yon.
Congratulations, Rain Primero.
Ang ganda ng name.
Rain Primero, congratulations.
Yay! Thank you. So, Rain.
Ayan.
Alright.
Okay, so again to our winners tonight, ang kailangan nyo lang gawin, we will be messaging you sa inyong Facebook Messenger. So I hope lahat kayo na may message and walang mga dummy account na nag-join or mga robots ba yan. Okay, so again, we were so much excited to see you all guys sa pag-visit ng Flawless. No? Just present yung aming message that you're one of the winners ng Lucky 24 promo.
Yes.
Any last messages, Miss?
Alright, so I'd like to tour them. I'd like to show them how good our clinic here in North. How can we do that kaya? So we just do that, ganyan. So we'll tour you. Okay? So this is the clinic. Nakikita kaya? Okay.
Okay, so guys, we will be touring you sa clinic ng Flawless. Ayan. Tinitwist yung knob.
Yeah, getting. Nakikita na ba ako?
Yes.
Hi, so here we're touring you sa clinic. This is a reception area. We're live now. This is the reception area. So you'll be welcome. You'll see some of our promotions. Ito. Our skin investment. Okay. Good promotion. So, yeah. Here we will be greeted by our clinic supervisor.
Hi.
Hello. So here we're our display. Ito, ang display namin ng mga products. Yung ibang what we're selling is also here. Being shown here. Yan. Kamedis line. Our Evatherm line. Yan.
In-house.
In-house. And then look, ito. So we sort of have a little pharmacy here, but all the products displayed here, ganda tingnan, can purchase. So, close ko po ito. Area for washing hands. Everybody nag-wash ng hand.
Hello po.
Medyo busy because we have lots of clients today. But here's how it looks like. We have our doctor there, Dr. Aldan. And here, yan, a treatment room with curtain. So we have veg private for all. This is the, let me show you that. Okay. The doctor's clinic where we held our live. So we'll go outside where we can see. Here. Yay! Swallow. Welcome to Swallows. That's our clinic. Show our clinic. Nice. Alright. So, in behalf of Flawless team, thank you so much for watching with us. Thank you for staying. Thank you so much. See you on our next live. Bye. Thank you everyone. Bye bye.